Mom, this is Maxine again, and I just wanted to share to you my revolving sushi experience dito sa St. Louis. Ang pangalan ng restaurant is Sakatanoya. So, nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok, kaya I'm so interested because of the robotics and technology. So, meron siyang Japanese vibes, and first time lang dito sa St. Louis na magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng restaurant. And so, tinry naming magjowa. Hindi naman kami disappoint because mahilig din naman kami sa mga Japanese food. Favorite ko, favorite niya rin. Kaya pumunta na kami doon. From our apartment, I guess, is only less than 20 minutes. So, napaka-accessible niya. Explain ko lang yung setup, no? So, yung table niya, nandun yung conveyor sa gilid. So, nandun yung mga sushi. Umiikot yung mga sushi. And then, eat all you can. Kung gaano karaming plates ang gusto nyo, it's all up to you. But yung mga plates na yun is color-coded. So, depende sa kulay ang babayaran nyo. So, ang mga sushi is nag-range from $3 to $6. So, sa isang plate, merong mga plates na dalawa lang ang sushi, tapos meron mga plates na 4 yung sushi, tapos iba't ibang kinds. And then, meron din sila mga special menu like ramens and special sushis, crab rangoon. Yun lang in-order namin eh. Yun naman is nag-range naman siya from $13 or $14 to $15. So, not too bad. So, overall, ang nagastos lang ata namin is less than $100. So, sobrang mura lang din talaga. And then, when it comes to ambience naman, malinis yung restaurant, maaliwala siya. Kasi maluwag, tsaka mataas yung roof. So, at wala siyang amoy in fairness. Kaya, sobrang nag-enjoy naman kami dun sa experience na yun. And then, when it comes naman dun sa staffing, there are only 2 people. Yung manager, tsaka yung server. So, yung server na yun, siya yung nagdadala ng mga drinks and plates. And kung kailangan nyo ng tulong or question, siya ang sasagot ng mga question nyo. So, overall, lahat ng order nyo is nandun lang sa parang maliit na screen dun sa may table. So, siyempre, pindot-pindot lang kayo doon, and then later, parang mabilis lang din naman yung serving nila because less than 10 minutes, dumating na yung ramen. So, sobrang convenient at sobrang dali lang umorder. So, will I recommend this restaurant to you? Of course, 100% if you're into Japanese food and you like the vibes of a conveyor thing, I think this is for you. Pero when it comes dun sa sushi, medyo dry yung nakuha namin sushi, hindi ko alam, medyo dry yung rice. And wala namang special na taste yung sushi nila. So, parang ganun lang din. Pero yun nga, yung vibes lang talaga minsan ang pinupuntahan ng tao. I think yun lang. And of course, overall, nag-enjoy naman kami sa experience namin and sobrang nabusog kami. That's the vlog for today and hopefully I help you guys. Until next time. Bye!